Hello my friends, Shiny Kids here and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss about Hiroshima Day. Hiroshima Day is the atomic bombing in Hiroshima, Japan. It is recognized as the day of bombing of Hiroshima. What is Hiroshima Day? Hiroshima Day is observed on August 6th every year to raise awareness of the disastrous effects of the atomic bomb and need to promote peace politics among nations. What is the significance of Hiroshima Day? The day is a reminder of the bombing attack on Hiroshima by the United States during World War II in 1945, which destroyed almost 90% of the city and killed thousands of people. The bombings of two Japanese cities were the first time that an atomic bomb were used outside testing. No nuclear weapons has ever been used against a target ever since. Hiroshima Day 2021 marks the 76th anniversary of the killing. According to a Reuters report, the AOC will honor the anniversary during the Tokyo 2020 closing ceremony, which is scheduled for August 8th. Why did Hiroshima get bombed? Japan was a fierce enemy of US and its allies Britain, China and the Soviet Union during the World War II. After the conclusion of the World War II in 1945, the relations between Japan and the US worsened, especially as Japanese forces decided to take an aim at Indochina with the intention of capturing the oil-rich areas of the East Indies. The attack on Pearl Harbor was a surprise military strike by the Imperial Japanese Navy Air Service upon the United States against the naval base at Pearl Harbor in Honolulu, which is a territory in Hawaii. Just before 8 a.m. on Sunday morning on December 7, 1941, the Japanese have publicly stated that their intent to fight to the bitter end and were using tactics such as kamikaze attacks in which pilots would suicide dive against the US warships. Therefore, the US President Harry Truman authorized the use of atomic bombs in order to surrender Japan, which it did. Why was Hiroshima and Nagasaki chosen? Before the Trinity test, the Manhattan Project's Target Committee had been discussing which Japanese cities would be the most effective targets for the atomic bomb. In May 1945, the committee issued their recommendations based on three qualifications: a large urban area of more than 3 miles in diameter, capable of being damaged effectively by the blast, and likely to be unattacked by August 1946. The committee identified the top 4 potential targets for bombing: Kokura, Yokohama, Hiroshima, Nagasaki, and Kyoto. Nilgard, an increasingly important port city, was also offered as an option. The Enola Gay is a Boeing B-29 Superfortress bomber named after Enola Gay Tibbets, the mother of the pilot Colonel Paul Tibbets. On 6 August 1945, piloted by Tibbets and Robert A. Lewis during the final stages of the World War II, it became the first aircraft to drop an atomic bomb in warfare. The bomb, codenamed Little Boy, was targeted at the city of Hiroshima, Japan, and caused destruction of about 3/4 of the city. It was a 6-hour-long flight and it went as planned by the pilot and the crew members. thus resulting in perfect bombing. Impact of bombing. By the end of 1945, the bombing had killed estimated 140,000 people in Hiroshima and further 74,000 people in Nagasaki. In the years that followed, the survivors would face leukemia, cancer, and other terrible side effects from the radiation. The uranium bomb detonated over Hiroshima on 6th August 1945 had an explosive yield equal to 15,000 tons of TNT. It razed and burnt around 70% of all buildings and caused an estimated 140,000 deaths by the end of 1945, along with the increasing rates of cancer and chronic disease among the survivors. Plutonium bomb exploded over Nagasaki 3 days later, leveled 6.7 square kilometers of the city, and killed 74,000 people by the end of 1945. Ground temperatures reached 4,000 degrees and radioactive rain poured down. Recovery of Hiroshima. Less than 10 days after a bomb was dropped on Hiroshima, World War II came to end. Hiroshima had completely been destroyed by the AA bomb, but gradually electricity, transportation, and other services were restored. The people collected any unburned materials they could find and began rebuilding their homes and their lives. After the atomic bombing, rumor had it that nothing would grow in Hiroshima for 75 years. Then, when red canna flowers became the first to bloom in the Cherry Rumble, they were a tremendous source of courage and hope. Eventually, Hiroshima residents who had evacuated to the countryside and soldiers who had been far away fighting the war came back, and Hiroshima started its journey towards recovery. My friends, let us build a nuclear-free world together, and let's not use nuclear weapons. My friends, thanks for watching this video and happy Hiroshima Day. My friends, please like and subscribe to our channel. My friends, please like and subscribe to our channel for more daily videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.